Hey, have you heard about the Introduction to SQL course by ILET Solutions?
No, what's that about?
It's a course designed for beginners to get started with structured query language in Microsoft SQL Server.
Why is SQL important?
SQL is the world's most widely used programming language for database management, an essential skill for back-end web development and data analytics.
What will I learn in the course?
By the end of the course, you will have a practical understanding of how to set up and connect to a server, create databases and tables, insert and update data, and create and filter queries to get the valuable insights you need.
What database will we be using?
In this course, we are using Microsoft SQL Server's T-SQL, but you will be able to apply most of what you learned to many other databases such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and more.
That sounds like a useful course for beginners.
Definitely. With the increasing demand for SQL skills in the industry, this course can give you a head start in your career.